The OPOC engine proposed by us is the simplest piston engine. It has no cylinder heads, distribution, it has only one motor shaft and one crank for each two opposite pistons. It is also mechanically supercharged, with constant pressure regardless of the speed, and has an oil bath for lubricating the moving parts. Theoretically, this is not possible because the joints of the two opposite pistons must be on the same axis, the axis of the cylinder liner, and move in opposite directions. The solution was found by Professor Hofbauer by actuating the outer connecting rod of two levers in phase. It complicates the motor shaft a lot, and any oscillation of it leads to seizure. By applying our invention called spherical joint on membrane type bodies, we found that the joints of the two pistons in opposition are guided by the cylinder liner permanently in the coaxial position and can also move in opposition because of the connecting rods positioned inclined to the shaft axis. Engine can transmit energy through its own lever to the crankshaft. We noticed something else, namely that the external piston can have a double effect and that it can simultaneously act as a compressor piston. The operation is safe and simple. The air is pushed from the compressor, directed through the external piston and through windows specific to two-stroke engines. It reaches the combustion chamber formed between the external piston and the internal piston. The intake circuit is totally separate from the lubrication circuit. The exhaust gases can be used by a turbogenerator. It is a motor modulated in length as it allows the mounting of several modules on a single shaft. It is very flat so it can be placed anywhere. It is capable of very high energy densities per unit volume. It has all the qualities to be used as a propellant for military vehicles. It is a propeller that does not have problems with seizing because all the components are spherically articulated and forcefully lubricated.